Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel IQ Cars 2.0, Truck Lovers. Today, we have a true beast of the road, the 2025 Volvo FH16 This is not just a truck, it's a powerhouse built for long-haul dominance. If you're in the trucking game, you know Volvo doesn't mess around, and this model, well, it's their most powerful yet, so buckle up as we dive into this monster of a machine. Truck details, let's start with the basics. The Volvo FH16 is the king of Volvo's lineup. This heavy-duty truck is designed for the toughest jobs, whether you're hauling across continents or pulling the heaviest loads, and guess what? It comes with a 16.1-liter inline-six engine that produces a mind-blowing 750 horsepower and 3,550 Newton-meters of torque. Yeah, you heard that right, this truck means serious business. Exterior, bold and built to rule. From the outside, the 2025 FH16 is all about power and aerodynamics. Volvo has refined its design for better fuel efficiency and improved airflow, making long hauls smoother and more cost-effective. Show grille close-up. The front grille now has a more aggressive look with improved airflow vents and these LED matrix headlights. They adjust automatically based on traffic conditions, so no more blinding oncoming drivers. Show side profile. The truck side skirts and roof deflectors have also been redesigned to minimize drag, making it one of the most aerodynamic trucks on the market. Plus, it comes with 22.5-inch wheels, and let's be real, this thing looks absolutely badass. Interior, a driver's dream. Alright, let's step inside. If you're spending hours or even days on the road, comfort matters, and Volvo knows it. The interior of the FH16 is nothing short of luxury. Show digital dashboard. You get a fully digital 12-inch instrument cluster with customizable layouts, plus a 9-inch infotainment screen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Yes, even truckers need entertainment. Show seating. The new ergo-active air suspension seats are not just heated and ventilated. They also come with massaging functions. Long drives just got a whole lot better. And for those overnight hauls, check this out, the sleeper cabin is now bigger and better with a reclining bed, smart climate control, and even a fridge and microwave option. Volvo really thought of everything. Comfort level. Driving a 750 horsepower truck might sound intimidating, but trust me, Volvo has made it feel like a breeze. Thanks to the intelligent cruise control and I-Shift automated gearbox, shifting gears is super smooth and fuel efficiency is maximized. The dynamic steering system reduces driver fatigue by making steering effortless even at low speeds or rough terrain. And the noise insulation, insanely good. Even at highway speeds, it's whisper quiet inside. Volvo clearly knows how to keep drivers relaxed behind the wheel. Performance, the 750 HP Titan. Now, let's talk about performance. The FH16 is a torque monster. With 3,550 Newton-meters of torque, it pulls heavy loads like it's nothing. Show truck accelerating on the highway. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 20 seconds, which is impressive for a truck. Show braking system. The EBS braking system with hill hold assist ensures you stop safely, even with a full load. Plus, the adaptive suspension makes every ride feel as smooth as possible. Whether you're hauling logs, construction materials, or cross-country loads, this truck does it all effortlessly. Point 6. Conclusion, the verdict. Absolute beast. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Volvo FH16 is a trucker's dream. It's got insane power, top-tier comfort, and cutting-edge tech to make long hauls easier than ever. Whether you're a fleet owner or an independent trucker, this is the machine you want for those long, demanding routes. Let me know in the comments, would you drive the FH16 And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic truck content. Until next time, keep those wheels rolling.